Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope you are doing well. I am Gurleenkar of class 8D from Amrit Indo-Canadian Academy. I am going to share my views on social science topic why do we need to conserve the natural resources, why it is essential, suggest some ways to conserve natural resources. First, let us know what are natural resources. Natural resources are materials or substances occurring in nature which can be exploited for economic gain. Further, we can say natural resources are resources that exist without actions of humankind. For example, air, water, wood, oil, wind energy, etc. We need to conserve our natural resources because it is the main source of our daily needs. We need to conserve it because they are limited only. Nature helps to maintain the environmental balance and satisfy the needs to the fullest. Guys, do you know when is World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated? It is celebrated on July 28th every year. Natural resources play a vital role in the economic development of the country by enriching agriculture, trade, imports and exports, etc. We should conserve natural resources for future generations. It is very essential to conserve natural resources because resources are important for the development of a country. If we will not conserve our natural resources, it will lead to socio-economic and environmental problems. Natural resources to continue to be available, they need to be protected. Now, I will share some ways how we can conserve natural resources. Avoid the use of toxic chemicals. Say no to plastic. Reduce the use of processed food. Harvest rainwater. Run the dishwasher only when it's full. Turn off the faucet while brushing your teeth. Recycle unwanted and waste products. Follow 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed this video.